everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make Oats Dosa. Oats are one among the healthiest grains in the world. They are gluten-free and a great source of important vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, thiamine, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin B1, B5, B6 and B3. It also contains fiber and antioxidants. The contents in oatmeal helps in weight loss, helps to lower blood sugar and improves heart health. This is a good and easy breakfast recipe for people who are trying to lose weight and also for people with diabetes, thyroid, PCOS and cholesterol. These are the ingredients required for oats dosa. A few curry leaves, ginger, green chili and oats. I have taken 1.5 cups of oats. To that, I am going to add fenugreek seeds. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Rinse the oats and fenugreek seeds really well and soak it for around 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, transfer it into a blender jar and add ginger, green chili. I've added bird's eye chili. You can add chili of your choice, any green chili of your choice. Few curry leaves. Curry leaves and chili are optional. You can adjust it according to your taste. After blending, you can add salt to it. After blending, the batter looks like this. You can add regular salt or pink Himalayan salt. Heat a cast iron tawa. The specialty of the dosa batter is you need not grease the tawa often. Once the tawa is hot, you can add a spoonful of dosa batter and make dosa. You need not close this dosa to cook. Keep it open and cook it. Once the color changes, that is around 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, you can flip the dosa. You can enjoy the dosa with dosa podi or chutney.
Be happy, stay healthy. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste.